Guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing some more things on the car. It's been kind of a while. All the videos that I've been uploading so far have been recorded like weeks before I actually upload them, so hopefully now I'll be like caught up and be uploading videos that aren't going up really late. But anyways, so right now, as you can see, I got a Ducktail resting on my trunk. Some of you guys might have noticed in the Stance Wars video that I had this on the car. Well, at the time of the video, I only had it double-sided taped onto the car, and it worked for a bit, but then it kind of started to come off, I guess, because this is like such a sharp angle that, you know, the wind really pushes it off. So today I'm going to be riveting on the trunk. I have a riveter and everything, so I'm also going to be showing you guys how to use a riveter, I guess, too. I really like this Ducktail. I've wanted a Ducktail in this car for a super long time, and I've actually had this for a really long time too, but I've never actually bothered to really put it on. I follow someone on Instagram who has one of these, and most of you guys know they don't actually make Ducktails for Jettas. This is actually a Ducktail off of CD7 Accord or CD5 Accord, one of those. So as you can see, it fits pretty well. All I had to do was cut out that little half circle for the Volkswagen logo, but other than that, the fitment is really not bad. Kind of sticks out farther of the lines, and there's a little bit of a gap right here, but I don't really care, to be honest. So yeah, I'm gonna rivet it on the trunk, and then I'm probably gonna end up molding it onto the body with Bondo later on, because that's what I wanted to do, kind of have it like molded in. But for now, I'm just gonna have it riveted on there. So yeah, I'll go ahead and get started. Alright, so right here I have the wing all mocked up. Right now I'm gonna actually just go ahead and draw where I'm gonna drill the holes into the wing and in the trunk. As you can see, it kind of has some flex, so I'm going to push this down while I mark it. I'm just going to be using this touch of paint marker that I have. This is actually going to be really useful because once I drill the holes in my trunk, I'm going to have to cover the bare metal with touch of paint so it doesn't rust later on in life. So yeah, I'm just going to mark a few of the holes here and of course in the bottom, and then we'll be ready to bring out the drill and make some holes in our body. I'm actually probably going to grab some like measuring tape, because I really do want these to all be like spaced evenly, just so it doesn't look disgusting. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some measuring tape. Alright, cool. Looks like we got it all marked. And it'll be pretty much ready to go. I don't actually know if I'm going to use this many rivets. I might actually just use not too many, because I don't want to have it like studded with rivets, you know what I mean? But we'll see. We'll see. So once you have all your holes marked and you're pretty much ready and set on, you know, making holes in the body of your car, and you know you've mentally prepared yourself to damage your vehicle on purpose, whether it be for a good reason or not, that is up to you. So once you got all that set, these are all the things you're going to need. You're going to need your drill, obviously. I'm using 1/4 inch rivets, so I have a 1/4 inch bit that I'm going to be using on there. I have other drill bits, obviously. I'm not going to try to straight go with this one. I'm going to step up, obviously. So got your drill, your 1/4 inch drill bit, 1/4 inch rivets, your paint marker, or your touch of paint marker, and your hand riveter. This was just one that I got from Harbor Freight. I forgot how much it was. I think it was like 40 or 60 bucks, something like that. Under $100 is all I know. So I don't know. We'll see if it does a pretty good job. Go ahead and grab one of our rivets here. So I already have the nose piece set in the hand riveter to fit the 1/4 inch one. So you're gonna open up your riveter like this, and then you're gonna just like slide in your rivet that you chose, like that. And then basically what a riveter does is when you push this down, I'm not going to do it now obviously because I don't want to waste a rivet, but it's going to expand this bulb, which is basically going to hold whatever it's holding in its place, and then when you go all the way, it's going to pop off the tail on the end here. So pretty easy to use. You literally just like put up against what you're doing, and you just pop, like you just pop it in. So pretty basic. I'm just gonna go ahead and start drilling my holes so then I can go ahead and get the rivets on. Alright, got all my holes drilled for the top. Just had to do the bottom side. I decided to go with 3/16 size rivets instead of 1/4 because 1/4 inch rivets, like after I looked at it for a bit, they're pretty massive and it would look kind of weird. But 3/16 are like, it's kind of that nicer size. It'd probably look cleaner, so got the holes drilled. I'm just gonna go ahead and cover up the bare metal with this touch-up paint and then put the wing in its place and then start popping in some rivets. And after I got the top riveted in, you know, that's going to be able to hold itself up in the position that I want it to. So then I can go ahead and do the bottom while the top's already done. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that now. Alright, so we got all our holes drilled and put such a paint in them. Now all we need to do is go ahead and start riveting the wing on. So I'm going to go ahead and put one through this first hole. As I said before, you kind of just put this all the way in there like that, push it all the way down, and then you just kind of there we go, and that's in. This rivet is like low-key trash. Now go in all the way because of something. Oh, there we go. Yo.
Did you just go in?
I think it just broke it.
Yeah, pushed it through.
Yeah.
Black and white text?
I don't know. Shut up. So we got this guy here with his ugly ass wheels. Just kidding. Anyways, I got the Ducktail on. Well, I guess it was low-key a team effort because they all came. But yeah, low-key. Okay, high key. I don't know. The riveter fucking broke, so Andy helped me fix it. So don't buy a Harbor Freight riveter. But now like all it's on, and we like paint match the rivets. So Moses got these wheels for some reason. He's trying to get rid of them already because they look kind of weird. But yeah. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Damn. Why does it look so good? So yeah, I don't know, that's probably gonna be it for now because that's all I wanted to do. Alright guys, so it's actually the next day. This is after we've riveted the trunk, the wing on the trunk, I mean. And yeah, it's held up. I drove it on the freeway like this, going like 90, so pretty strong, pretty sturdy, you know. It is fiberglass, so if anything, I feel like me like hitting it like that would cause the wing to crack before it actually comes off of the trunk. So I mean, looks pretty good. I like it. The river did have a little bit of an issue, but we were able to figure it out, so ended up like nice and solid in the end. So yeah, I mean, Ducktail's kind of questionable on this car. Well, for other people, I really love it. That's why I did it, obviously. But some people might not like it. Others might think it's pretty cool. Some people think it's different. But I really like it. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful too, in case you didn't know how to rivet something or how to use a hand riveter. So with that being said, yeah, just like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff, and I'll just see you guys in the next video.